So I've had this problem lately with some of my games where I find myself losing my voice because I'm saying the same rule over and over again. I just got tired of doing that, so I created a voice saver shortcut. So I've got this shortcuts app down here. This is only available on iPhones and iPads. It's right down here on my bottom bar. It's got the S, so I'm just going to click that. And these are my voice saver shortcuts. It takes both of them to build it, but only one of them to run it. So this voice saver, all I have to do is tap it, and it's going to say that rule over and over again, which for me today is only throw with your foot on a base. So only throw from a base, only throw from a base. So anytime I play that, it's going to say only throw from a base. And the beauty is I'm always playing music from my Bluetooth speaker, and when I tap this, it's going to bring the volume down just a little bit on the music, so kids can really hear my voice, and that's just awesome that it does that. So it's going to bring the music down. They're going to hear my voice, and I probably run that 30 times in a class. So here's how I set it up. First, we have to we have to record the voice. So I created this pink one. It's record voice to clipboard. And I'm going to show you the actions in here. There's 3 actions. The first one is recording audio. When I hit the record audio, it's going to bring me this screen where it says tap to start recording. So all I have to do is tap it, say my rule. It's going to record my voice. Only throw from a base. Then it's going to encode that audio into base 64. Basically, all it does is it takes the audio file of what I just said, turns it all into letters and numbers. And the reason for doing that is it takes the file size and just makes it so much smaller because it's just a text file. And then what it does is it puts it onto my clipboard and it's copied there. So then I'm going to click done here and go into my PE voice saver shortcut. And you can see that over here, this is the last time that I recorded something. I just select it all, delete it, hit the paste, put all those new letters and numbers in there. Now my voice is right there. Then the next action is to decode that text and then to play that sound. So when I run that shortcut, that's what's going to happen. Now on my iPhone, I took it to the next level. I've got these little NFC tags that I bought off of Amazon. And all I have to do is tap my phone because I have an iPhone 10 or newer. I can tap it to one of those NFC stickers and it's just going to play that audio. So I put it on a sign on the room where I would just go tap that. Only throw from a base or a dot. I put it in my pocket and I would just, while I was walking around, just tap my phone in my pocket and it would just play it over the audio. And it's awesome. Saved my voice a ton. The next thing that I can do here is I can take this shortcut and tap these 3 little dots up here. And I can add that to the home screen. When I add it to the home screen, you can see that now it's right here at the purple right there, PE voice saver. All I got to do is tap that and it's going to run the shortcut, play my voice. So you can walk around. If you have an older iPhone, you can just walk around and just hit that button. Every time you see somebody breaking that rule, save your voice, make life easy, use iOS shortcuts. They're phenomenal and I love them. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of it. See you guys next time.